because I'm going to put these 4 nuts on the gear case housing, and I just look at the Climate Evinrude manual to see the torque settings, and you've got your 40 to 50, 3/8 go to 18 to 20, 24 to 27 newton meters, and 7/16 go to, was that 38 to 40 newton meters. I don't know if you can see that or not. Can you see that? Back there. Not very bright, I know. So these ones are the 24 to 27. Oh dear. Learn as you go. Let's just see if that's right. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to put some seat around here. There's actually no gasket that goes along it. Okay, that's nicely tightened up. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take these back out again and put some Loctite on them. It's marine grade Loctite, so should be just right. Right, this gives me a chance to use my new toy. This, you can see that, is a adjustable torque wrench. So it's in pounds at the moment. I need that to be in. Oops. So I set to 30. So what this will do is it will tell me how close I am to 30, because it only goes to 30 and the torque that I want is 24 to 27, so let's say 27. So, okay, 3 hours later. Now then. Apparently, like all good things, let's test it. Okay, let's see if that works. So it's great. So that's the lowest it'll go actually. Fabulous. So this is set to 30. I need 27. Things seem tight enough, but what I've done, I've taken out this steering column. I think it's got a steering column. Puts these anyway. There's 2 bushes in here that the grease goes through. Problem is, I've gone and painted all the grease nipples. Hence extension. Okay, before I was rudely interrupted by a telephone call. Okay, so cleaned. So this bit's been put on, that's on. These bits here at the bottom have also been tightened up. So what I'm going to do now is going to put a bit of Loctite on these, which is as prescribed. Right stuff. I'll top them up in a minute. So yeah, I'll do the same with the bottom. That's a bit too much. That ain't going out. Let's just show you what I've done. Where are you? There's a rubber seal here. This came out, so I've put that back on, so the seal there. These are torqued up. When you fit this, it's got to be loose until such time as you put the exhaust housing in. Then you tighten them up. That clamps onto the bottom of a spindle, and that way the motor sits on top of here and it's fully secured. All I've got to do now, put the gasket on here, put the motor on top, fill up these grease nipples, because bearing in mind I took all the grease out, so apart from that I put another coating on the inside of the shaft, but other than that it needs to be filled again with marine grade grease. And once I've got the engine on, put the bottom end on, job done. And there we have it finished. Well, connected up anyway. I'm going to have to order some new bolts. They're just too old, too rounded. Next thing is putting the bottom end on. And hopefully we'll have a go at starting her up. Okay, time to put the bottom end on. A little grommet here that goes on this. which goes above there, but I'm going to put that on after. See how we go. Might work, hang on. Okay, these are these. I can just get these. Get one in to hold it. End of the day, I'm not very excited. I'm only doing some bolts up really. But yeah, it's only a split pin for God's sake. Looking good. Okay, now I need this. Well, I've got something that suspiciously looks like an engine.